Now we will talk about last three commands in modify list: rectangular array, path array, polar array. Go to home tab, modify list, click on this small arrow. So we have here rectangular array, path array, and polar array. First we will start with rectangular array. To select, left click. Now select your object. So let's select this line. To select, left click. To confirm selection, right click. So as we can see, there are multiple lines created, and here we got our array creation window. So first we have column, row, and labels. What does it mean by columns? Columns means number of lines in X direction. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we click here, left click, and if we make it 9, then enter. So we got 9 columns: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The same thing if we make it 5, then enter, we will get 5. Between means the distance between each columns. Now it is 1.5, so let's make it bigger. Left click, now make it 5, enter. So it becomes bigger. Rows, it's the number of rows. In this we have 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's make it 5, and then we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the same thing. This is the distance between the rows. So let's say that you want to make it lesser. So make it 50, 50, enter. So as we can see, it becomes lesser. And here we have labels. Labels, it's related to 3D. And here we have labels. It's related to 3D works. We will not talk about it now. We will talk about it later on. So to close the window, just come here and click on close array. Now we will talk about path array. Go to home tab, modify list, click on this small arrow, left click, and this is our path array. To select, left click. Path array, we can use it for curves, circles, splines. So this is how we will select this circle, but before that we need to draw a line over here. So to end command, press escape. Now go to command line, left click. So draw one line over here. To end command, press escape, and now go to home tab, modify list, click on this small arrow and select path array, left click. Now select the object. So this line will be our object. To select, left click. Now to confirm selection, right click. Now select path curve. So let's say that this is our path curve. To select, left click. The same thing, array creation window will appear. Here we have items, rows, labels. Labels is related to 3D view, and rows, it's related to the number of rows. So let's say that you want 5, type 5, enter. So we got 5 rows, and this will be the distance between the rows. So let's say that you want a distance of let's say 30, enter. As we can see that the distance becomes more. To end command, click on this close array. The last thing we will talk about it is polar array. Go to home tab, modify list, click on this small arrow, and this is our polar array. To select, left click. But before that we need to draw a line. So press escape to end command. Go to line command. To select, left click, and then draw a line. To end command, press escape. Go to home tab, modify list, click on this small arrow. To select, left click. This is our polar array. Now select the object. So let's say this is our object. To select, left click. To confirm selection, right click. Now specify center point of array. So let's say that this is our center point, left click. The same thing, our array creation window will appear. Here we have number of items. So if we change these items into 10, type 10, enter or space. As we can see, we got 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here we have number of rows, so let's say you want 4, type 4, enter. So we got 4 rows. And labels, it's related to 3D. We will talk about it later on. So to close or to end comment, come over here and click on close array. Left click.